Kuya in attendance from Caraga Region 6. Gibahas man pala po natin. Palakpak. Most of all, our the attendance of our National President, the Chairman Emeritus, the same time, the past President for the Eagle Year 2016-2017, my idol, Kuya Ninong Louie Flores Reza. Thank you for blessing this afternoon, Kuya Louie. Of course, our Vice President for Mindanao, Kuya Alan B. Habor, my predecessor. Good afternoon. And to all regional Caraga Region 6 officers, my very supportive and kumpare, partner of Surigao City Adventure Club, now the charter president of Surigao Mystical Adventure Club, and our elected Vice Governor, Kuya Francis Aramis Jr. President, charter president, Kuya Jeram, Long Hospital, Club President, Kuya Roy Ocliasa of Bosig, Kuya Eric Libay, our president of LG, from Sky, Kuya Tan Cano, Kuya Nero Tiberi of Islander Dragon Seagulls Club, our regional officers, regional assembly members, our media, Ms. Jocelyn Jojo Pinol, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm very thankful for this wonderful and unforgettable afternoon. Thank you for entrusting me as your newly elected Governor of Caraga Region 6 for the Eagle Year 2024. Salamat mga kuya sa inyong pagsaling. Sa nabili na to na mga bulan, starting this July to December, my plan and programs was already approved during the President's meeting last June 12. It was already established and planned already and scheduled our next program after this election. Kini man ang ilang pangayo. That's why, mga kuya, di man sila musugot na ang Vice Governor mahimong mahimong mupuli in law of succession as Governor. So, I tell myself, as now participated the regional election, o mauna niya akong ihatag sa ila nga ini na, nahitabo na yun ang eleksyon sa Caraga Region 6. So, may rason na mangutana pa sila ng why election for the Eagle Year 2024. Hopefully, I hope that our different clubs of Surigao del Norte from different Eagle affiliated members, kung mahimo ako sila uhakon nga magkahiusa na ta, mag-ibanta, because our purpose is to help the needy people, our community. Let us forget the differences. We work as one Eagle in the province of Surigao del Norte, in the province of Dinagat Islands and Siargao Islands. Of course, here in our town, my dear Kuya, let's forget the past. Move on na ta. No, ato nakalimutan ang mga naglabay. Kay sa tanan ini, kuya na maghihapon sa tanan. We are all kuya. Bisan asa na makita, sa kasakit sa dughan, pag makita sa gawas, kuya maghihapon. Hindi makasod kalimutan. So, muna ako hangyo karon. Thank you, my dear officers and members of Caraga Region 6, for your trust. Hopefully, and encourage you this challenge of my leadership. Ubalik ko ninyo, mag-uban ta. para sa kabaguhan o ato ipadadyon ang mga nasugdan ni Kuya Vice President for Mindanao, Alan Hapon. Pwede ba? Pwede!